Hey guys, it's Marco Seats here, bringing you another mukbang. Today's mukbang is pho. For sure. Yeah, buddy. Pho. One of my favorite soups of all time. Who doesn't like pho? I'll never. I don't know. It's so good. Yes, 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 yes. Mm-mm-mm. Okay. We got some tripe, brisket, and tendon. And the noodles. Oh, we also got some raw meat, which is going to cook in this broth, which I heated up. Heated it up when I got home. So that's going to go in first because it's raw. Ugh. Come on. All right. Then I'm going to go ahead and add the noodles. Yeah, buddy. Mm-hmm. It's a big. And hopefully it's going to rehydrate, come back to life in this hot broth. Okay. Just wait a couple of minutes to get these noodles back to life. If you're gonna eat pho, it's 100%. Well, yeah, 100% better to eat it in the restaurant because this won't happen to you. But if you need to take it home, like I did, so I can film this. Let's see them noodles coming back to life. Yeah, buddy. I'm salivating already. Oh boy, it's been so long that I had pho. One of my subscribers requested me to eat pho, so here it is. All right. Now, I'll put in the rest of the meats. By the way, my hands are clean, everybody. And nobody but me is gonna eat this, so yeah. Mm. Okay, let's swish that around. Mm. Salivating. Oh man, I did that toe Satan yesterday, and ooh, I was dying. I had stomach cramps for 10 minutes afterwards. Oh man, and my taste buds are are gone. I hope I can taste this. I don't recommend. Uh, let's see, onions, red onions, and green onions. Come on, okay. Then I like sprouts. and of course jalapenos. Then some basil and mint. This is the mint. This is the basil. They smell the same, so maybe it's the same thing. Alright. Now, the lime. See, this is a treat for me. I usually wouldn't buy something like this. It's because $10 at your local Vietnamese pho restaurant. $10 is too much. And this sriracha. And just a little bit of oyster sauce, not too much. I'm not a big fan though. Okay, I should do it. I got my let me wet my hands first. Alright guys. Finally, first bite. Let's get this out of the way. Just taste that broth first. Oh yeah. Yeah, buddy. Oh, look at that. This is large. Jalapeno. Wow. How many of you love to eat pho? Especially on a cold morning. Guess what time it is? That's right, it's cocktail time. Yeah, buddy. Boom, boom. Check it out. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Check it out. Boom, boom. Alright guys. Ooh. Pho. I missed you. I missed you, for. It's been a long time. Mm-hmm. Look at that. This is the bomb.com. Mm. Mm. That chewy tendon. That was chewy, all right. Look at that bite. Look at the jalapeno. Mm-hmm. Mm. In my opinion, because everybody has an opinion, this is the best comfort soup in the world. A big bowl of Vietnamese pho. Oh, who agrees? Mm. Man. Put down in the comments what you guys want to see me eat. Mm. Yee, buddy. Oh, so good. Mm. Did you hear that? I heard somebody burp. It wasn't me. If you're still watching, put a pig in your comment down below. A pig and then whatever you're going to comment. So I know you watched all the way through. Oh man. Like my shirt, everybody. It's the garbage disposal of Brandon Clark. Check out his channel. It's under the garbage disposal, Brandon Clark. Competitive eater. Probably ranked somewhere between 5 and 7 in the world. I'll leave the link to his channel down in the description so you all can check him out. It went down the wrong tube. Ooh. Clean Bowl Club. Yee, buddy. Man, guys. Excuse me. That was so good. You should go to your nearest Vietnamese restaurant and order you a bowl of pho. PHO. Because it's the bomb.com. Ooh, that was good. Alright, guys. Please smash that like button for me. Share and subscribe. Till next time, this has been Marcos Eats. Peace. Have a good day.